Have you ever accidentally sent an internal note to a customer? Learn to reply correctly in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open the ticket and locate the editor. Then choose Public Reply or Internal Note. Type your message, set the status, and submit. All right, let's start by navigating to the Zendesk homepage. Then, find and open the ticket you want to respond to. Once you're in the ticket, scroll down to the reply editor at the bottom. If you want the customer to receive your message, select Public Reply. If it's just for your team, go with Internal Note instead. Now, take a moment to enter your message. Simply type your response in the message editor. Before you submit, update the ticket status as needed. Finally, click Submit as Open in the lower right corner to save your reply and update the ticket. And you're done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.